Okay, hey guys. So for today's video, I have a little challenge for you. I want you to spot the difference. Spot the difference. If I say spot, right? I spotted a stray cat when I was walking home from work. What is spot? Spot. Well, spot is, I want you to look, try to find, to see, right, the difference between these two sentences. Because even my stronger students, sometimes they miss out on this little letter. So I want you to think, look at these, spot the difference, and do you know the meaning? Do you know the meaning of both of these? Right? I think some of you, I see some of you know. First one, if I say, I like chicken rice. Chicken rice is the most famous dish, maybe not the most famous, but a famous dish from Singapore, where our school is, right? Singapore, where I live now, right? And if I say, I like chicken rice, only like, that is my feeling. That's my feeling. Maybe you love chicken rice. Maybe you guys, some of you like, right? Some students, they tell me they very, this one, my favorite. They very like, I very like chicken rice. That one's all right? Actually, no. Very like, we don't use in English. Okay, I'm going to remove that. We always say, whoops, not live, love. We always use love, not very like. I love chicken rice. I like chicken rice. That's one way to use the word like. And then if I go down here, I add one sound. I'd like chicken rice. I'd like chicken rice. What's that? When do we say this sentence? Got it? So this is when we're ordering chicken rice, because this D is what word? What word is this D? Is it had? I had like? Nope. It is would. Okay, because in English we have I'd like is actually I would like. It's the short version. I would like chicken rice. I would like some chicken rice. I'd like chicken rice. And if I say I would like, it's the same idea as I want. I would like, I want. That is my feeling when I use the would, the I'd. I'd like chicken rice. I would like chicken rice. I want chicken rice. So be careful when you go to the restaurant. Which one, right? I like chicken rice. Oh, I'm happy you like chicken rice. But you have to say, I'd like chicken rice when you order. So just everybody be careful. One letter in English can make a big difference. So again, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe. Please comment below. Can you add the would, add the D to change the sentence? Give it a try, and I'll see you next time.